Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce another exciting educational course to you. This course is perfect for beginners entering the world of video editing, especially those who want to master Adobe Premiere Pro CC from basic to advanced levels. If you're aiming to professionally edit YouTube videos, promotional content, and short clips, this course will pave the way for you. It's also a great choice for those seeking to create stunning visual effects, color correction, and sound adjustments like a pro. This course has around 108,000 students and holds a 4-star rating, making it a highly successful and practical option. Currently, with the discount provided by Udemy, the price is approximately €12. By purchasing this course, you will have full access and benefit from all future updates. The course duration is 3.5 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. What you'll learn in this course: CC 2024 updates. Fully understand how to use Adobe Premiere Pro CC for quick and efficient video editing. Learn all the basics of Premiere Pro, including effects and editing to the beat. Make audio adjustments for better sound quality. Create graphics, titles, transitions, and animations. Organize footage into folders. Apply basic color correction and grading techniques. Edit and export your first high-quality video for YouTube. Master transitions, video, audio, titles, overlays, and more, and much more. Now, I want to give you this amazing course for free and completely legally. To see how it works, first subscribe to my channel and add this video to your watch list. Now, simply open your browser and search for discountedcourseninja.com on Google. From the results, click on the correct link that matches the website address, discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking, you will be redirected to the homepage of the site. On this platform, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search function to find your desired course. You can also browse different categories based on your interests. Locate the course we are looking for and scroll down to find the Get the Coupon button. After clicking, the course will be available to you for free. Just note that coupons have limited availability. That's it. With just a few clicks, you now have legal and free access to this course. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.